Hi guys, welcome to this unboxing and quick review of the MIU color glass water bottle 30 ounce with a white mouse and a silicone sleeve and glass inside. So it's an upgraded unique design. It comes with measurement markings. It's reusable, eco-friendly, durable, convenient, all day hydration. So this is the box what you get. So let's take it out of the box. Here we have some additional description, of course. So this is really a big bottle. So as I told you already, it's 30 ounce, and which means it's really close to 1 quart. That means, yeah, that's about a quarter of a gallon in US. So here we get some additional information. It's in German and English, and that's it. But it's definitely a good thing to have a support email address, and so in any case there is a question or problem, you can contact them and you get a 6 months warranty. So that's a really good thing. So here you have the protection outside. That's a really good thing, because when you have a water bottle you want some extra protection, definitely, to protect against a breaking, and if it breaks you will have some protection so it won't hurt you. Yeah, it's really a beautiful design, and I like the white mouse. It's, for me, it's actually a must-have. White mouse, it's a must-have. There are so many of these bottles which have narrow mouse, and this definitely doesn't work for me. So the angle is a little bit strange, camera is maybe a little bit close, but it's really beautiful. And yeah, with the 30 ounces there is a lot of liquid, and I think it will last you almost the whole day, or at least when you fill it up twice. So this seems to be metal, nice thread, and here you have a really good handle so you can carry it. And let's see how this open and close. Yeah, it's really easy. So what I'm gonna do is I fill it with water, and I will try to see how yeah, liquid proof it is. I mean, if it is totally closing the lid and we won't have any leaks. So I've filled it now with water. Hopefully you can see that. It's about 3/4 filled. And as you can see, I can shake it like crazy, and there is not a bit of a leak, not a single drop. There is really nothing, so that's awesome. So you don't have to worry that it's leaking. That's a really nice thing. And the glass is really thick, so you can hear that it's really thick. That's also a good thing. So this will make sure that it won't break anytime soon. And I like this measurement markings. These things can really help. These markings are in milliliter, so yeah, can see 100, 200 and up to 850 milliliters, which are probably equal to the 30 ounces. Yeah, so absolutely really beautiful really handy, stable. I don't see any kinds of complaint about this. This is really something how I want it, how we need it. Really convenient, stable, safe, something really for everyday use. And yeah, I'll put down the link in the description so you can buy it right from the link on Amazon. And I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.